Hello, this is Lev from TrueConf here on ISE 2020. We demonstrate our new version of our client application for Windows and other desktop systems, which fully supports 4K Ultra HD video, which you can see on this big 4K screen. So we have here 7 participants in a multi-point call with the content sharing. Like in any other of our client applications, you can manage the conference in real time. You can create conferences on the go. You can make point-to-point calls. You can share the screen. The new thing we have added recently is an ability to control remotely the remote desktop of your parties. You can also record conferences and access devices, manage PTZ cameras and control them remotely. So many wonderful collaboration tools are all packed inside this small piece of software which is called TrueConf application. So if you would like to have one for your operating system, just go for trueconf.com website and select applications. That's quite simple. Thank you.